Okay, so this is my favorite floor plan of these in 17 North by K-Hov. And if I put it all into perspective, like comparing this to somebody who's probably the ideal client for it, like you're renting, you're maybe in an apartment or you're a condo or townhome, this is way better. You're looking at the high threes, low fours, your monthly payment's gonna be a lot lower. Not only do you get a brand new home, easy low care yard, amenities, but you get all this. You get a brand new home, you get a garage, lots of space downstairs, but I want to show you the upstairs too, because I think this makes a lot of sense for you guys, especially first time buyers. When you walk in, coat closet, cool, store shoes, coats, all that stuff, but let's go check out upstairs. Okay, so I like this floor plan for a lot of reasons. It just makes sense. If I was thinking back to the first house I bought, I wanted something obviously affordable, but clean, easy to take care of, but I don't want to overpay. I don't want to spend a bunch of money. And I like this because it's got a couple bedrooms here, but this big open loft. So you could grow into this. You could have kids play here. For me, you could have a movie room, home office, lots of things there. But again, we have the split floor plan. So we have primary suite over here. It's a really good size, plenty of space, actually a pretty big bedroom. You could fit a full king, California king. You've got your primary bath, closet, and then this is a split floor plan, which most people really like. That means the primary is here, as I showed you, then you got the other bedroom over here. So they have their own bathroom, their own bedroom. Laundry is also upstairs, which is great. Just makes living in the 2-story floor plan pretty easy and functional. So again, this is my favorite floor plan. If you want to tour this one or any of the others, let me know. I'll give you the tour and I'll show you the inside scoop, how to get a great deal on these properties.